Tonight, a man sentenced to life for murder can walk free. Joseph Webster has been in prison since 2006, but today a judge ruled to dismiss his conviction. Newly released evidence helped change his future.
News Channel 5's Matthew Torres is live right now at the downtown detention center as family gathers to greet Webster. And Matthew, it's not just the loved ones who agreed that this was something that should never have happened.
That's right. Both the defense attorney and the state have agreed that he shouldn't have been convicted in the first place. We're just outside of the detention facility where any minute now we're expecting Joseph Webster to arrive here from state custody where he'll be processed and eventually walk through these doors. Family, friends, and his attorney are here right now. All of this developing so quickly, just hours after a judge made the decision to vacate his murder conviction.
He was sentenced to life for brutally beating someone to death, but after 15 years in prison for murder, Joseph Webster gets to be a free man again. Hours after his latest court hearing, a judge ruled to dismiss his conviction.
And sir, at this point, the state has fully lost confidence in the conviction of Mr. Webster, and we believe that vacation of the conviction is the appropriate remedy.
Both his lawyer and the state agree he was wrongfully convicted of killing Leroy Owens in 1998. An investigation by the DA's Conviction Review Unit found new evidence and witnesses never presented during trial. The new information suggests someone else was responsible all along.
Is the state convinced that another individual committed this murder?
Your Honor, I am hesitant to comment on an investigation that is ongoing. I do think that our report...
It's not Mr. Webster.
We are, sir.
Defense attorney Daniel Horowitz says the latest discovery is on top of overwhelming evidence that proves his client never committed the crime.
It's a bad eyewitness identification, recanted testimony, new evidence, a confession from the person that we believe actually committed this crime.
With the victim's family in the courtroom as well, it wasn't lost on everyone that justice has yet to be served.
They've had to spend 15 years believing that the person who killed a person that they loved and cared about was brought to justice and held to account, and now the rug gets pulled.
It took the judge just about 6 hours to decide instead of the few days he initially announced.
Again, family and friends are here excited to see him and get to hug him in person. Now, I talked to his mother, who says the past 19 years have really been agonizing, just waiting for his release. Of course, she just has to wait a few more moments before she can hug him. Now, the attorney has been saying he's been looking forward to finally going home and having a home-cooked meal. And we asked the mom this, and she says he's looking forward to eating her meatloaf and pork chop. Reporting live in Nashville, Matthew Torres, News Channel 5.